Hi, I'm the director of the Huffines Institute, Dr. Tim Lightfoot, and I'm so excited to have this announcement for you regarding the Hilliard Discussion 10. Long a staple at the Huffines Institute, the Hilliard Discussion is a way to provoke conversations about the cutting-edge topics in health and kinesiology. These discussions are led by acknowledged experts in the field so that we can expose our audience to these conversations about science and research they may not know are going on. We've got an exciting new format for the Hilliard Discussion. We'll be using a point-counterpoint format, much like they use in the famous Munk debates in Canada. We'll set a debate question, and then we'll have our speakers debate the pro and the con side of that question. The audience will also have a chance to interact by asking questions, and we'll be voting on what they think the answer is. Given the COVID pandemic, we have moved the Hilliard Discussion to an online format, so you can access the Hilliard Discussion from the safety of your own home. We'll publicize the date and the link of the event early so you can not only set your personal calendar, but so you can invite your friends and your social networks to participate as well. Having said all that, I'm pleased to announce that this year's Hilliard Discussion, what we're calling HD10, will be held on January the 27th from 7 to 8:30 p.m. HD10 will feature the debate question, does the scientific literature inhibit scientific truth? There are some scientists that say that traditional scientific publishing, where most of us get our scientific truth from, actually slows down and inhibits the publication of real scientific truth. Now, especially in this time of the pandemic and vaccine development, these types of criticisms of the scientific literature are just getting louder. Leading our discussion this year are two acknowledged experts in the area. Speaking to the pro side of the question will be Dr. Brian Nosek, professor at the University of Virginia and co-founder of the Center for Open Science that advocates an open approach to all scientific data. Speaking to the con side of the question will be Dr. Andy Young, emeritus professor from the United States Army Research Institute of Environmental Medicine and the longtime editor-in-chief of the leading journal in exercise physiology, medicine and science, and sports and exercise. We are excited to have Drs. Nosek and Young debating this cutting-edge topic and look forward to having each of you join us on January the 27th, 2021 from 7 to 8:30 p.m. Keep an eye on huffinesinstitute.org for more details and that link. See you at the discussion.